Hi, I'm Laxmikant. I'm Managing Director of Sinar Sheetmetal Solutions. Welcome to Forming Now. Here is a laser cutting machine. It runs on a Fanuc CNC with a IPG 6 cloud laser power source and also a Prestec Pro Cutter laser head. The problem we are trying to address is one is productivity. These machines with Fanuc CNCs are a very high rapid, highly productive machines, and this user interface is completely built in house, and it's makes it easier for the operator to use the machine. As the name says it all, we are into all the machineries related to sheet metal industry. We are into laser cutting machines, press brake, tube cutting machines with laser. We are also into welding automation. So basically, we provide everything for the sheet metal industry.